Hey everyone, Simply Bonnie here. I am back, finally. As you can probably tell from the title of my video, I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unbagging, and yeah, glad to be back. My eyes are still a little bit swollen. This one's a little bit more swollen than this one, so if you see it, don't pay attention to it. I apologize. Just trying to get the videos out. They've been swollen for almost a month now. But anyway, yeah, we're going to do this. For anybody who doesn't know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty subscription. It's $10 a month. You get 5 to 6 samples, sometimes full-size products to try out, and it comes in a little bag. And here's what the bag looks like for this month. It's got the lace here and then a soft pink material. I can see it's getting dirty really quick. And outside the bag is, oh, it's 2 of them. I thought it was only one because I took a sneak peek at mine. I thought it was only one. But I think we got these like 4 or 5 months ago in BoxyCharm. But these are the facial mask, and they're by BioBell, and they're the hashtag primer ones, the ones you use before you put on your makeup. I know these retail for $5 each, so right there is the price of the bag right there. Alright, now to go inside. And the card for this month is Unzipped. So it's pretty cute. It's got writing on the back. I really don't think we need to do all that. And the first thing I pull out is this lipstick by Mellow. And again, I'm really getting tired of subscription boxes having brown lipsticks. Like, how many brown lipsticks do you need? Like, I can understand having 1 or 2 because, I mean, some people like brown. But not me. I don't like browns because they kind of look odd and, like, gross. If you get my drift, it kind of looks like that. So I'm not really into browns. I mean, 1 or 2 in your collection's fine, but geez, seems like that's all they've been giving out. And there's that color there. I'll be passing it along to somebody. And the color is an Electra, and it's a baked highlighter. And this is what it looks like. And it's right there above the lipstick. There we go. It's a pretty color. And the next thing I pull out is Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. And I got the color Fair, and it has in parentheses Ultra Light. I don't know if this is going to show up on my hand or not, so we'll see. It did show up on my hand. Last but not least is a Luxie brush. I love getting brushes in my subscription boxes because sometimes brushes can cost a lot of money, which I'm getting ready to buy the Wayne Goss brushes. Makeup by Mandy said that they'll change your eye game, so I'm hoping so. And I thought this one was like a different type of brush, so I'm glad it is what it is. I was expecting something else. It's a dual-ended brush, and this is like a blend. And on this end, it's a blending brush, and then on this end, it is a flat packing brush. And they're very soft. Luxie is a very nice brand. I do believe these retail around $16. I'm not for sure. If I'm wrong on that, I will, and if I can find a price, I will put it up here. But yeah, guys, that's what I got in my Ipsy for the month of February. Got the bag, brush, brown lipstick, Bye Bye Under Eye, 2 face masks, and a highlighter. I'm satisfied. Is this the best month? No, I've seen better, but I'm actually very satisfied with it. The only things I'm not satisfied with is the brown lipstick, and everything else, I mean, we're good to go. Facial mask, I'm not kind of about, but I mean, I can always try them again. You know, sometimes you don't get it right on the first time, so you try the second time. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. I apologize, like I said in my other video, my TJ Maxx haul. I do apologize that I haven't been on. And I do have videos stored on back, like DIYs, like makeup related DIYs, stored away just in case these things do happen. So I I am hoping to get a better, like, consistent, more frequent schedule to upload videos. And as always, right here I will put my social media, Simply Bonnie87 on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I am getting a lot more frequent on those. And comment down below what you got. Let me know what you got. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also give it a thumbs up if you're one of those people who get a lot of subscription boxes and you're tired of getting brown lipstick. I know I can't be the only one out there. So yeah, like if you're tired of getting brown lipstick in your subscription boxes, because I know I am. Till next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.